There are many ways to make money, and the specific approach that works best for you will depend on your skills, interests, and resources. Here are a few options to consider. Start a business. One way to make money is to start your own business. This could be a traditional brick-and-mortar business or an online venture. Consider what products or services you can offer and how you will reach your target market. Invest in the stock market. Another way to make money is to invest in the stock market. This can be a risky option, as the stock market can be volatile, but it can also provide significant returns over the long term. It's important to do your research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Rent out a property. If you own a property, such as a house or an apartment, you can make money by renting it out to tenants. This can be a good source of passive income, but it also involves some responsibilities, such as maintaining the property and finding suitable tenants. Offer your skills and services. If you have a particular skill or expertise, you can make money by offering your services to others. This could be anything from tutoring and teaching to graphic design or writing. You can find clients through word of mouth, social media, or freelance job websites. Sell products online. Another way to make money is to sell products online. This can be through an e-commerce platform, such as Amazon or Etsy, or through your own website. Consider what products you can offer and how you will reach your target market. There are many other ways to make money, and the best approach for you will depend on your individual circumstances and goals. It may take some experimentation to find what works best for you.